In this video, I will show you how you can scan documents using your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app library. Now over here, just search this. Now just open the preview app. And by using the preview app, we will scan our documents. Now just tap on scan document. As you can see, this is the UI of the preview app. Now over here, you will find your shutter button with which you can scan your documents. And also above the shutter button, you have the filters option. And over here, you can apply any of the available filters to your documents. After that, you have the option of auto and manual. If you leave the preview app on auto, the preview app will automatically scan the documents as they fit in the camera frame, just like that. But if you want to scan your documents manually, just select manual over here. Now after you do that, then you will be able to scan your documents manually. As you can see, as this blue frame fits around the document, then just tap on the shutter button. And by doing that, you will scan the document. Now if you want to rescan the document, just tap on retake. And if you want to do a slight adjustment to the document, you can do it from here. Now once you're satisfied with your scanned document, then just tap on keep. As you can see, we have successfully scanned the document. Now to save the file, just tap on done. And as you can see, this is the document which I have scanned. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.